Right, okay, so I'm making chili con carne for tea and I decided to give the Tom Kerridge method a go. So here I have my lean minced beef on baking parchment paper, and that's going in the oven for 40 minutes, and every 10 minutes so I need to break it up apparently and cook it until it's quite dark. He says in the book until it resembles kind of coffee granules. So in my non-stick pan I've got coriander seeds and cumin seeds. I'm just roasting those off, and when they're kind of, you can see, smell the aroma, you know that the seeds are toasted well enough. And then I'll just crush those up with a pestle and mortar, ready to continue making my scrummy evening meal. I wish you could smell this. The aroma is absolutely fantastic. The toasted seeds. That's fine enough for me. I suppose you could go a lot finer if you wanted to, but I'm quite happy with that. And it smells absolutely amazing. I'm sure it'll make a big difference to the flavour at the end of the recipe. So I'm sauteing a red onion and some red pepper chopped up. I quite like the chunks big, not too small. I've added in the roasted crushed seeds, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of chilli, and 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar. And that's just coming together nicely there. Lovely. Okay, so next I'm going to add my stock. It's just a mug full, and I've used 2 OXO cubes. That's going in. And then I'm going to add my beans, red beans, I've already washed them, and tin of tomatoes. Give that a stir. The meat smells lovely. I've never made chili con carne in this way. When I first saw it on Tom's programme, I thought that is definitely a recipe to make. And yeah, so I've got the book and got the recipe out. I've made it almost the same, not quite. There's the tomato puree going in, tablespoon. Give that a stir. Lovely. Okay, so I'm just going to get the meat and add it to that mix. Well, it certainly smells the business. Let's just hope when I put it back in, it absorbs the moisture and is as good as Mr. Kerridge says it is. So we shall see. So just stirring that meat in there, and that will simmer now until it kind of reduces down and thickens up a little bit. The only thing I might add in there is a little bit of thyme, because I like thyme in this kind of a recipe. Just going to get maybe a teaspoon of that and add it in. But there it is. That just needs to cook slowly now and simmer. And fingers crossed it's going to be good. I wish you could smell it. It smells absolutely amazing. I'm really impressed with this recipe from Tom Kerridge's cookbook. I have added in a few chopped spring onions because I fancied it, and I have added in quite a bit of chopped coriander, but it's reduced down absolutely lovely. A couple of more minutes. I'm going to turn the heat up, just take a little bit more liquid off, and I'm going to dish it up. Scrummy. So I've decided to have mine in lettuce boats, and I've weighed out these are my toppings: so the jalapenos, a bit more coriander, and 20 grams of my protein cheese. That's going at the top, like so. Jalapenos on there as well. Looks right, isn't it? Yummy. Very hungry now, so I'm really looking forward to this. So because I've used less than 25 grams of the cheese, that's 0, And I've made this yogurt, spring onion, garlic, lemon juice and chili, garlic and dip. And I've also used some onion salt. I'm going to put a big dollop of that in the middle, like that. I'm going to eat that as I go through, and my husband will have the other half. So, not looking bad, is it? A bit more coriander there on the top. Ta-da! Time to eat, I think. Lovely. Thank you, Mr. Kerridge. Nice recipe.